Hello everyone, my name is Nishant. I am from BTech AIML Srinivas University. I will be explaining detection of an object using IR sensor. So basically the working of this sensor is infrared or IR proximity sensor emit infrared light, and once this light hits an object, it is reflected back to the sensor. Depending on the strength of the reflected light, the sensor will know how far or close an object is. The stronger the reflected signal, the closer the object. The weaker the signal, the farther the object is. The function of a proximity detector is to be able to tell a moving machine when it is near an object without it having to actually bump against the obstacle. In proximity detection, what we are more interested in are devices that allow machines to detect obstacle without collision. So the circuit connection of this experiment is we are using Arduino and an IR sensor and a LED bulb and a breadboard and a resistor. So, and also a connecting wire cable which is connected to our PC so that we can get Wi-Fi module. So basically the connection. So first we are using LED that is connected to the 10 volt 10th pin of the Arduino, and the resistor pin is connected to the ground, and all the 3 pins of this is connected to the VCC is given for 5 volts and one for the ground, and the other is going for second pin. So the USB cable is connected to our PC. Then this is the code for our project. You can see that the int IR, it is shown as 2. That means the IR sensor is connected to the second pin, and int PN LED, which means 10, which means LED is connected to the 10th pin, and int value is equal to 0, means initial value of this experiment will be 0, then the output will be counted. Here we are using IR as input and LED as output. Working of this project is when the object is passed onto the sensor, it will detect with the blink of the light. So the applications of this IR sensor is robotics, used in line following and obstacle avoiding robots, and it is also used in security systems for motion detection in restricted areas, and it can be also used in industrial automation, which is by detecting items on conveyor belts. It can be also used in smart vehicles, used for parking assistance and anti-collision system. So it can be also used in consumer electronics, in devices like automatic hand dryers and smart factory. Disadvantages. There are other external sources of light which can reflect back to this sensor, and it will not detect the object. The reflective nature of the object surface, the color of the object being detected, may interfere with the reading of the sensor. Means when the white light is passed into this sensor, it will not detect any object. Result: the IR obstacle sensor successfully detected objects placed within its effective range. The system responded by turning on an LED indicator and displaying detection status on the serial monitor. And also the conclusion of this experiment is, the experiment demonstrated the working of an IR obstacle sensor for object detection. It provides a simple non-contact method to sense objects, making it highly useful in automation and robotics. The system is cost-effective and reliable for short-range object detection. Thank you.